Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Gabriel.meneses, your digital marketing coach. Today we're talking about product pages and how to optimize it to be able to turn visitors into customers, especially if you are selling products more than $300. So make sure to like this video and subscribe, and let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to my computer. Today we are optimizing your product page to increase sales fast. So what I'm going to do is give you 8 tips that you can implement right away to start seeing conversions. So this means turning visitors into customers. If you're watching this video, most likely you have people entering your store but they are not finishing the checkout process. And today we're going to solve this problem. These strategies work with all stores, either if you have a service-based business, a niche product, or if you have a one product store, print on demand, or even a subscription-based business. This will work for you. Also, quick note here, people selling products higher than $300 need to double down on these strategies. So make sure that you pay close attention and take notes. And if you are one selling something that's $10, $20, $50, also pay close attention because you need to be able to understand how this works, because this might be the missing piece of your website, store, or funnel. So let's get started. The first tip is offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is super crucial because this takes the weight out of your customer's shoulders and puts it on you. This is super important because when people enter your store and they don't know your brand, you don't have a ton of social proof, the only way they can be sure that you are a serious store is that if you offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So what I recommend is that you add a branded badge that says 30-day money-back guarantee, so your visitors understand that you actually stand behind your products. So also make sure to stay away from the spammy looking ones. So as you know, there are many designs that say the same message, but they look a little bit more spammy. So make sure you brand this badge to be cohesive with your product page design. The same colors, fonts, and even the sizing and format. Tip number 2 is to add an unboxing video inside your product page. So order your product and make an unboxing video yourself. Take your phone and make it look like a customer is unboxing the actual product so they can see and understand what comes inside the box. This is so much easier for them so they can see how it actually works. So as you know, unboxing videos are super powerful on YouTube and other platforms like Instagram. So make sure you use this as a piece of advertisement and also put it inside your product page. This is going to help you increase sales super fast. So what I recommend is go on YouTube and look up some of the videos so you can get inspired and see what's the best format for this type of videos. The trick here is to make it as raw as possible. You want this to look as a customer is filming the video. Don't add animations or fancy editing. Your only job here is to find a plain background, put a camera on a tripod, and start unboxing your product. A pro tip is to also use this video as one of your retargeting ads inside Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So let's say that your visitor entered your store with a main promotional video and then they started the checkout process, but they decided, oh, it's too expensive, or maybe I don't like it that much. But when they see the video once again of the product being unboxed by a customer or someone that looks like a customer, they will reconsider, enter the page, and maybe they'll finish the purchase. This has worked amazingly well for my store, so make sure you do it as soon as you can. Tip number 3 is to add 2 influencer videos to your product page. So once you find your winning product, contact 2 YouTube influencers in your industry and pay for dedicated review videos. This will increase your authority in the space and help you increase sales after you start posting the videos. So first, you will start getting some traffic from all of these videos that were posted by the influencers. Then you can use these videos as retargeting ads for people that actually initiated checkout inside your store. And finally, you add these videos in your product page because this will help you increase trust inside your page. So make sure that once you find a winning product, contact 2 influencers send the products and pay for a dedicated review videos because this will help you increase sales right away. My next tip is to add a review app inside your product page. If you're using Shopify, I recommend Lux Reviews, but if you are not, make sure you find an app that collects reviews inside your page. So this will increase social proof right away. As soon as you start collecting reviews, people can see that real people are purchasing the product and they can see pictures and testimonials. So it's going to be easier for you to increase trust and therefore sales in the process. Before we continue, make sure you go and follow me at @meneses on Instagram. I'm posting information just like this one every single day. So let's get on with the video. The next tip is to implement a live chat inside your store. So this works well when you're selling products of more than $300 because people will have questions. So make sure you have someone there to reply to these questions, or if you don't have the budget to do it, just do it yourself from your phone. If you're using Shopify, make sure you install the app Tidio Live Chat. This will help you integrate a live chat without too many hassles, and you can even manage it from your phone. It's super easy, and you will see that as soon as you start answering these questions, your conversion rate will go up because now your visitors don't have any doubts about buying your product. The next tip is to add an FAQ section to your product page. Remember, a confused mind never buys, so make sure you have an FAQ section on your product page. So find the top 20 questions you get from your ads and add them right away to this section. The next tip is to always offer free shipping. I always offer this in my low ticket and high ticket stores. This is a great strategy to get people in a happy state of mind. So make sure to try it, you can test it and see how it goes for you. The last and most important tip that I can give you today is to add custom content to your product page and homepage. A crucial thing that sets you apart from your competitor is the quality of your content. So make sure you order your products and create branded photos and videos with it. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe because this helps the channel a lot. So also, if you have any questions or want to learn more about digital marketing, go ahead and follow me at @meneses on Instagram. So I will see you in the next video.